Okay. Anyway, they think they have like cream of potato soup, and they have this really great homemade chicken soup with all chicken breasts and noodles and vegetables. And the salad bar was like something you have at a Marriott buffet. It was gorgeous.
There you go. Here's the keys to your new car.
What are you talking about?
Here is your new car.
Yeah, right, Charlie.
I bought it for you.
He's joking anyway.
No, he's not joking. That's your car.
You can drive us over there.
He's joking.
No, that's your new car.
Let's go.
It's actually
Really?
really nice.
Really?
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 Yep.
Let's go. You can drive us over there.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's your new car. Don't make me cry. You're gonna make me cry.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, get in. You can drive.
I forgot how. Last thing I drove was Billy's truck.
Driving her new car.
Hop in.
Is it insured? I don't have insurance.
No, it's not sure. It needs to be registered in smog. I think Draja will help you with that.
Oh, God.
Leather.
You gotta be kidding.
The key in the ignition.
Oh, God.
Gotta get the AC.